Hey there, I've got mail today. It's the Kudrone mini drone or Nanodrone from Indiegogo. Just picked it up at the post office and I thought I would do an unboxing before doing anything else. So let's see what's inside the box. So here's the box. Kudrone, 4K Nanodrone with GPS followed. As you can see, it got a bit beat up in the post, but it should be okay. It should be in a case, so that should be fine. Let's see if we can open it up. Now this was the drone that got a lot of grief from critics, saying that this will never ship, it's fake, don't buy it. I think I paid around $120 something for it, plus another $50 for the battery upgrade. And to all the critics out there, there it is. Let's see here. Knife away so no one gets cut. I'm guessing this is a drone, at least it's the case. And then we have the charging dock. And that's it. Empty box. Let's start with the less interesting part, the charging dock. Go, it's protected. So, one charging dock, 3 batteries, adapter, and packing list. I guess this is the packing list. Security information, user guide, what the lights mean. Good stuff. This is the charging dock. 3 lights. Micro USB port, which is good. Got the charger with an American plug, so since I'm in Finland I will need to use something else to charge it up. And we have 3 batteries. Let's open one of those up. 650 milliamp hour batteries, 2.7 watt hour, 3.7 volt, LiPo rechargeable, and they're protected. So 3 of those. Good. Anything else? No. So they included a charger, but not a charging cable. A bit weird in my opinion. But what are you going to do? Then for the box itself. Everything seems to have survived unscathed. Let's see here. Kudrone. Soft sort of thing, but it's still rugged. Let's open it up. There we go, there we have the Kudrone. It is quite small. So I'm guessing here's some sort of tool for something. Then there's the, let's try not to break anything. There we go. Let's see what's inside here first. Oh, there we have a charging cable. Good stuff. And it's micro USB. I'll just keep this one here as well. Then we have 4 propellers in case you crash into something. Oh, 2 more batteries. Great. So included in the box with the expansion thingy, 5 batteries. Good. And then there's the USB, micro SD and SD card reader. From what I understand, we were supposed to get Kudrone t-shirts. That did obviously not happen, and I think they sent the card readers instead. Alright, the box is empty. Just close it up. And for the drone itself, so it's not very large. I have the Mavic Pro, so I'll do a size comparison. These are the prop guards. A bit flimsy in my opinion, but I'm guessing you won't crash into hard to anything. Let's see the other one. Go, and these should be like this, right? When you use it. Let's put the other one on as well. Guessing that's it. There's something to turn it on. Oh, they have included a micro SD card, 16 gigabytes. Good for them, thank you for that. There's the camera, sensors, props. So in the box, we got the box itself. We got the drone, center stage. We got the charging dock. 5 batteries, propellers, charging cable, charging plug, and SD card reader, and tool for probably changing out the props. Good stuff. What I'm going to do next is charge it up, update the firmwares, and see how it flies, and also see how it shoots, and I'll let you know how it goes. Oh yeah, before I go, I'll do the size comparison between the Mavic and the Kudrone. Hold on a minute and I'll go get it. So here's the Mavic Pro. Let's see if I can fit everything in one frame. There's the Kudrone. Here's the Mavic folded up. As you can see, when traveling, it's not really any smaller than the Kudrone. Let's see if we take the prop guards off. Well, the prop guards did a lot, so that's a lot smaller. And let's fold out the Mavic. Mavic and Kudrone. Now there's a bit of a difference. See here. interesting. Cool beans. I'll see how it works, and I'll post some video on YouTube, and you can follow me from there. Remember to like if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. We'll go from there. Cool. See ya.